In this video, I am going to discuss the most important questions about the process of fertilization which comes in different competitive exams of biology। लिहाजा अपने इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक पूरा देखना है ताकि ये क्वेश्चंस आपको अच्छी तरह तैयार हो जाएं। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। Question 13. The enzyme secreted by the sperm to penetrate the egg membrane is exopeptidase, dehydrogenase, hyaluronidase, carbonic anhydrase. So correct answer is option C. The enzyme secreted by the sperm to penetrate the egg membrane is hyaluronidase. That is option C. Question 14. In mammals, follicular fluid are held together by a substance called malonic acid, malic acid, hyaluronic acid, fumaric acid. So correct answer is option C. In mammalian egg, the follicular fluid is held together with the help of hyaluronic acid. Question 15. The lytic enzymes called hyaluronidase is found in Amphioxus egg, frog's egg, reptilian egg, mammalian egg. So correct answer is option D. The lytic enzyme hyaluronidase is found in mammalian egg. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आप इस चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी लाजमी प्रेस करें ताकि इस तरह की लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको आगे भी मिलता रहे। क्वेश्चन 16. ड्यूरिंग एक्टिवेशन ऑफ एग which parts of the sperm enters through the fertilization cone? Entire sperm, both nucleus and middle piece of sperm only middle piece, nucleus. So correct answer is option B. During activation of egg, both nucleus as well as middle piece enters through the fertilization cone. Question 17. The process of fusion of male and female pronuclei is known as amphimixis, apomixis, karyogamy, syngamy. So correct answer is option C. The process of fusion of male and female pronuclei is known as karyogamy. Question 18. Fertilization cone is formed during meeting of the gametes, penetration of the sperm, activation of the egg, amphimixis. So correct answer is option B. Fertilization cone is formed during acrosomal reaction when sperm penetrates the egg. Question 19. Which causes the clumping of sperm over the egg surface? Fertilizing, luciferin, anti-fertilizing, zymogen. So correct answer is option A. Fertilizing is the chemical that is causing the clumping of sperms over the egg surface, and this fertilizing is present over the surface of egg. Question 20. Fertilizants are the substances that are emitted from mature egg, immature eggs, sperm, polar body. So correct answer is option A. Fertilizing is the substances that is released from the mature egg. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी प्रेस कर दें। क्वेश्चन 21. The intermingling of chromosomes of sperm and egg is called plasmogamy, amphimixis, karyogamy, syngamy. So correct answer is option B. The intermingling of chromosomes of sperm and egg is known as amphimixis. Question 22. The process of self-fertilization is found in rabbit, sea urchin, hydra, birds. So correct answer is option C. The process of self-fertilization is found in hydra. In self-fertilization, the male and female gametes are formed within the same body of organism, and this process occurs in hermaphrodite animals such as hydra. Question 23. Fertilizing released from the egg is in nature glycoprotein in nature, mucopolysaccharide in nature, cholesterol in nature, both A and B. So correct answer is option D. Fertilizing released from the egg is glycoprotein as well as mucopolysaccharide in nature. So correct answer is option D. Question 24. The process of fertilization is always intraspecific, extraspecific, interspecific, none of these. So correct answer is option A. The process of fertilization is always intraspecific. Question 25. All the response of egg for sperm are collectively called metagenesis, gynogenesis, egg behavior, syngamy. So correct answer is option B. All the responses of egg towards sperm are collectively known as gynogenesis. Question 26. Final event in the process of fertilization is egg activation, cytoplasmic changes in egg, fission of gametes, amphimixis. So correct answer is option D. Final event in the process of fertilization is amphimixis, during which there is intermingling of chromosomes of sperm as well as egg. Question 27. Fertilization membrane is formed from mitochondria, acid mucopolysaccharides, Golgi bodies, all of these. So correct answer is option B. Fertilization membrane is formed from acid mucopolysaccharides that are released from the cortical granules. Question 28. Centrioles donated by the sperm to the egg during fertilization is proximal centriole, distal centriole, ring centriole, all of these. So correct answer is option A. The centriole that is donated by the sperm during the fertilization is proximal centriole. Question 29. Repressor theory of activation of fertilization was given by Helbron, Monroy and Taylor, Runstrom, Battalion. So correct answer is option B. The repressor theory of activation of fertilization is given by Monroy and Taylor. Question 30. Anti-fertilizing are chemicals found in spermatozoa, mature ovum, in germinal epithelium, in ovary. So correct answer is option A. Anti-fertilizants are the chemicals that are found on the surface of spermatozoa. Similarly, in some cases, anti-fertilizants are also present on the ovum. तो ये थे 30 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस अबाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी लाजमी प्रेस करें ताकि इस तरह की लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको आगे भी मिलता रहे।